So guys, I own a 1993 Camry that's had some issues. We've decided that the best way to resolve those issues is to go over to my parents' house and pull the motor out of it. So we will catch you back here in the garage when we're done pulling that motor and see what's wrong with it. You like my 1993 Toyota Camry? It's seen better days.
I'm sure this isn't going to be hard to get out at all.
No, once we pull it really tight with a car.
Yeah.
Did you actually have brakes?
I did. This is where we insert the smoke.
Gotta be ready to spray it as soon as you put it.
Here, just put the carbon on it.
There. There you go. This is good.
The most important tool fell out.
Slim Jim.
When everything's packed up, there's plenty of room back there for. We thought about it if we
Did you bring the transforminator?
No, I did not bring the transformator. Do you want to leave all hoses connected to motor or take hoses completely off of everything? Like
I would rather them be off of
off the car on the motor or on car off the motor?
on car off the motor.
Okay.
Oh, could y'all not get this hose off or something?
Ain't it? That is a that's a boost hose for a Mac. I have pliers specifically made for these. I didn't bring them.
Yeah, same. It's just that easy.
I think that's mostly going into the bucket. I'm not down there anymore.
The stuff that it misses, the stuff that it skips over, the stuff that it buries They 100%
Dude, that's clean oil. So
just safe. Y'all, that's the
Thank you so much for bringing us drinks. You're the best. Dr. Pepper for you. Dos Equis for you. Also, why did you just do that? Why are you struggling so much?
ordering practice right here.
We always say we can use it.
What? My bar. Oh, that's not what I wanted.
What'd you do?
And torque converter is coming off with it.
You want to come up with it more?
A little bit. We don't have room for the torque converter to come out with it.
There, that was a good.
Okay, now I gotta get up here and
Just say when.
keep going. There it goes. Keep going. Just a sec. Keep going up. Keep going.
Nice.
Yeah, the that ain't gonna go inside the short chain. Sit down.
You're gonna have to pull forward. All right. Bring the rear end this way. Keep going. Keep coming. All right, stop there. Make sure the mat goes under it.
That way it'll slide on that.
This.
Just keep pushing the thing, Kirk.
Oh, you got. Set it down there. We should be able to slide it up. Slide
Yeah, you're gonna have to. It won't go any farther. You're gonna
Yeah.
let it down.
Look at that. That's perfect.
Should we- yeah, sweet. All right. You're good. Boom.
So, we got the motor out of the Camry, got it back here, got it on the stand. Little backstory on it. I bought this car when I worked at CarMax, bought it from wholesale, got it super cheap. Had recently had water pump and stuff done. Used it as a daily driver for a little bit, and then I let Mr. Montgomery here borrow it for a little while, and while he was using it, the harmonic balancer fell off the car. So we parked it. It was parked for a couple months, went back to it, tried to do timing kit and harmonic balancer. While I was doing timing kit, I ran the tensioner bolt in, which goes right here. Tensioner goes here. And when I did that, I noticed it got loose after it got tight, and we pulled the threads out with the bolt. So make sure to follow my do as I say, not as I do. Use a torque wrench when doing timing components. Always a good idea. Otherwise, you end up with completely stripped out holes in the head of your engine. As you can see, there's no threads in that hole. So now that we have it here, we're going to get that fixed. We are going to put a whole new timing kit on it just because it's been sitting out in the weather. You can see all the pulleys are rusty, just to prevent any further problems. While we have it on the stand, I want to go ahead and do the oil pan gasket just because you can tell it's been seeping. And then maybe a couple other small maintenance items just to get it back up and ready, and then we're going to throw it back in the car. See you guys then.